love it, man.
Pop that.
This is what I've been waiting for. They didn't get no signature. I don't like that. Because on FedEx, it says signature required. I feel about that shit though. Yeah, I can't believe this. I've been waiting. It got delayed like 5 days, bro. 5 days. But I can't wait to unbox for you guys. Hey guys, it's vibeswithnea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Telfar unboxing. I got my first Telfar. It came in the mail yesterday. I was so excited, but I had stuff to do. So we're doing it today. I scratched out my address and all that. And I'm ready to open it up and get started. I forgot to get some scissors, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about my first impressions, what I think of the bag. Is it worth it? Shipping. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. I'll answer anything you want. So I ordered this. What day did I order it? I ordered it the last drop. So the most recent drop was October 1st, and it was for the bubblegum bag. So I did the one right before that. I'll put the date that I ordered it. But it took a minute to get here. It kept getting delayed. It got delayed like 4 times. It was supposed to be here on the 30th of September, and today, or yesterday when it got delivered, that was the 6th. So this is when you first pull it out. It's in like a gigantic like plastic Ziploc. And it has like the dust bag. Okay. So let's go ahead and open it up. They delivered it right to my door. Oh, also when they said it was getting mailed, they said it was gonna have a signature required. They did not ask for no signature. They dropped it off and drove off. I'm glad I was home waiting because I don't want nobody to steal my Telfar. So you got the white dust bag. It's very high quality. Good material. I think it's nice. Alright, so for the actual bag, I don't know how to act, but yes, I got the medium-sized tote bag. I think it's pretty thick. It's not super thick though. It doesn't have a zipper to close, it just has a button. Okay, so it has like this little plastic wrap around. I'm gonna just rip that off. So we got 2 long straps and 2 short ones. I think it's cute. I wish the straps were a little adjustable. It's not too long. I'm kind of tall. I'm 5'7", and it's like right on my thigh. Let me like zoom out so you can see. It's not letting me zoom out that far. But it is my thigh right here. I'm sorry about this background. This thing is whack. I'm still sorting that thing out. But yeah, it's not adjustable, it just hangs down. They got the little tag, medium shopper. It has 1 zipper inside, and the tag, the Telfar tag. It has some little salt packets. Don't eat those. I'm kidding. And that's pretty much it. Like, I think it's really cute. I wish it had a zipper and I wish the straps were adjustable, but I think it's pretty good quality. I feel like people could use this as like a school bag if they really wanted to, but you can't put too much in here. Let me see if like my MacBook will fit in here. Alright. So let's put the MacBook in. See if it fits. Cause I can use this for work. Okay. Okay. What if I grab with it like this? I wish I could put it on my arm. It's like either put it on your forearm or on your shoulder. There's no in between. I feel like the smallest one is really cute, but the thing is, realistically, I hold more than just small shit, so it's not gonna be enough space for me. And then the large one, it's just too big. That thing is humongous. That's like a whole bag. That's like an overnight bag. That's like a carry-on bag for the airport. I feel like this is like a purse, school kind of book bag. I think it's really cute. this is my first like designer or luxury purchase on my own, so you know, I feel pretty grown. I feel kind of cute, you know. Oh, let me tell you how I got the bag. I didn't even tell you how to secure your Telfar. So how I secured my Telfar, it was actually really easy for me. I got it on the first try. Like, I have been wanting one for a while, but I never like put the money aside, and I didn't want to just splurge. So what I did was I paid attention to the drops. I'm subscribed to the emails, so I made sure I had an email account, and then I opened the pages 2 days ahead of time. I have 2 internet browsers on my phone. I have Safari and I have Google Chrome. I opened up the Telfar page on both for the drop that was coming out. So for the week that I got was navy blue. So I opened up the page on navy blue, and it had like a little box saying coming soon, and I would reload it every couple days. And I had a flight and stuff, but I still sorted it out. And so I paid attention to the time. I had timers set and everything. I refreshed the pages every couple hours. I had my card information ready. Like, I had it ready, everything that I needed written out and ready, so there would be no excuses, no time to waste, none of that. I had all my card information ready, put all that in, and I waited in line for like a minute and a half, if even that. It sent me through. I did the recaptcha thing, you know, where it's like I'm not a robot. I did that, and it sent me my confirmation email. I got through easy. I don't know, like, I've been seeing people talking about like, I've been trying to get this shit, blah blah blah. It happened for me. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video, let me know if you have any questions. And I hope you get your Telfar. I hope you enjoyed the review. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Remember, you're a vibe, not a wave. And I'm out.